Lymphatic filariasis, filaria, also known as elephantiasis, is one of the major public health problems. 64 districts in Nepal are known to be affected by this disease. When an infected female Culex mosquito bites a healthy person, the filarial parasites enter into human body, causing the disease. Elephantiasis, filaria, causes severe disfiguring and induces physical disability. Once the symptoms are visible, there is no medical treatment available to completely cure the disease.
अस्पताल यहाँ गोरखपुर तक दिखा चुके हैं, दवाई बहुत खाए हैं, अस्पताल के यहाँ का वहाँ का सब हलकान हो गए, क्योंकि दवाई कहूँ नहीं पकड़ी।
But if timely medical care and attention is given to the patient, there is a high possibility of stopping the disease from becoming worse. With an objective of eliminating filaria from the world by 2020, the World Health Organization has been recommending and assisting in organizing various programs to end filaria since early 2000s. Following the recommendation, Nepal too has been actively working to eliminate filaria through various programs. For this, the government of Nepal drafted the National Plan of Action to eliminate filaria from the year 2003 to 2020. The strategy of the program was to encourage people to participate in mass drug administration program once in a year for 6 years to prevent the progression of the disease and to limit disfiguration and development of physical disabilities among the patients through morbidity management and disability prevention (MMDP) program. Under the plan of action, the Mass Drug Administration Campaign, which was initiated from Parsa district of Nepal in 2003, has been conducted in all affected districts of the country. Among them, 53 districts have successfully completed their medication campaigns. However, despite the efforts, there are many districts where the disease is still prominently affecting people. Thus, this year too, the government of Nepal organized a mass drug administration program in 10 districts, namely Chhapa, Morang, Bara, Lamjung, Parvat, Baglung, Kapilvastu, Dang, Bake, and Kailali. Despite of implementing the program for 13th time in Kapilvastu, 11th time in Chhapa, 12th time in Baglung, and 10th time in Morang, it has not yielded satisfactory results. Thus, the program was conducted this year as well. Furthermore, to increase the effectiveness of the program, one more medicine was added and distributed with previously distributed medicines in few of the targeted districts.
विगतको वर्षमा भन्दा अहिले औषधि एउटा औषधि थप भएको छ आइभरमेट्रिसिन भन्ने
हामीले यसपटक अब यो औषधि खायौं भने अर्को एक वर्ष पनि खानुपर्छ र खाइसकेपछि चाहिँ हामीलाई फेरि खानु पर्दैन सधैँभरि
FAIRMED is actively working in 4 of these targeted districts: Chhapa, Morang, Baglung, and Kapilvastu. Thus, it has proactively supported in making the medications available and accessible, and also assisted the government in ensuring the intake of the medicines in these districts. To further increase the effectiveness of the campaign, medications were provided under the direct supervision of health workers.
स्वास्थ्य कर्मीलाई नै डाइरेक्ट फिल्डमा उतारेर गर्दाखेरि राम्रै चलिरहेछ अहिले सबै थोक
स्वास्थ्य कर्मीको निगरानीमा यो औषधि खुवाउने हो हामी त्यही भएर हामी पोका दिने यसपालि हाम्रो यहाँबाट हुँदैन.
The differences mainly with the geography, ethnicity, and culture in these districts created multiple challenges in running the campaign successfully. However, creating awareness in the local community prior to the campaign, ensuring accessibility to the health post during the campaign, and administering medication to the missed out through home visits as post-campaign activity did contribute to overcoming these challenges and making the campaign more effective.
जुन ठाउँमा केसको एकदमै धेरै प्रिभ्यालेन्ट छ र सेन्टिनेटल साइट भनेर जुन ठाउँलाई चिनिएको छ त्यो ठाउँमा समुदाय परिचालन गर्ने हाम्रो सामाजिक परिचालकहरू मार्फतबाट उनीहरूलाई समुदाय परिचालन गर्ने गरी हामीले कार्यक्रम सञ्चालन गरेका छौँ।
Lack of awareness in the communities, misinformation related to medications, and superstitious cultural beliefs made it challenging to achieve the goals of the campaign.
भोलि बिहान हामीलाई हात्ती पाइले रोग नलाग्ला भन्न सकिँदैन। त्यही भएर हामीले हात्ती पाइले विरुद्धको औषधि चाहिँ के गर्नुपर्छ त? खानुपर्छ।
Thus, FAIRMED Nepal worked towards creating awareness among the targeted communities through various means, such as street dramas, door-to-door awareness campaigns, distribution of information, education and communication, IEC materials, and dissemination of information through local media prior to starting the campaign.
एकदम सामान्य सोचेका थियौँ अहिलेसम्म हामीले सही ढङ्गले चाहिँ औषधि पनि सेवन गरिएन। अहिले उहाँहरूको चाहिँ कुराहरू उहाँहरूको सल्लाहहरू सुझावहरू सुन्दाखेरि अति नै जटिल समस्या रहेछ। यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले ध्यान दिनु नै पर्ने रहेछ।
One of such instances was the awareness program arranged especially for the Muslim religious leaders in Kapilvastu district. Through these leaders, the whole community in the district was educated about the disease and its prevention through mass medication campaign. This was an exemplary case in achieving mass sensitization.
दूसरा ना खाए उससे पहले जरूर कि हम खाएं, ताकि हम खाएं फिर दूसरे को भाई आप भी खाओ मैं खा चुका हूँ आप भी खाइए। अगर हम सिर्फ खा लिए खामोश ये अच्छी बात नहीं। हमारी जिम्मेदारी कि हम खाएं और खिलाएं। ये सिर्फ खाना ये बात नहीं है।
दिन भर काम से छुट्टी नहीं मिला था तो कहाँ जाओ?
Similarly, FAIRMED Nepal organized a separate awareness program for the deprived communities of daily wage workers of brick factories and ensured their access and intake of the medication.
जिसका थोड़ा भी कोई दिक्कत होगा तो ये बुझिए कि वो दवा आपको काम कर रहा है, जैसे पेट दुखाना, थोड़ा चक्कर लगना, वकवकी लगना, तो ये हो सकता है किसी को।
In this way, all the concerned community leaders, including concerned health workers of different districts, representatives of non-governmental organizations working in health sectors, and women health workers were sensitized before the campaign.
यो अभियान सञ्चालनमा फेयरमेड भन्ने संस्थाले हामीलाई निरन्तर रूपमा सहयोग गर्दै आउनु भएको छ। स्वास्थ्य कार्यालयलाई र स्थानीय तहहरूलाई जुन हाम्रो बजेटको सीमाभित्र रहेर काम गर्दाखेरि कुनै नयाँ इनोभेटिभ एक्टिभिटिजहरू गर्नलाई जहाँ हामीलाई अलि अप्ठ्यारो परेको थियो ती ठाउँहरूमा उहाँहरूले हामीलाई सहयोग गर्दै आइरहनु भएको छ।
As a result of various awareness programs organized in several communities prior to the campaign, people from the targeted communities visited the medication centers and took the medications against filaria.
यसपालि एकदम मान्छेहरु कसिएर पनि आइराखेको देख्यौं। बिहानदेखि हामीले अब बिहान 8 बजेदेखि यो प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट गरेको अब अहिलेसम्म पनि मान्छे आएको आइ हुनुभएको छ। एभोभ 200 चाहिँ खाइसक्नु भयो आज।
Furthermore, community volunteers were deployed in the field to provide additional clarification to those who were still reluctant in taking the medication despite of visiting the medication centers.
कतिपय मान्छेहरुले अब खान मानिरहेको छैन नि त उहाँहरुलाई चाहिँ खाँदा चाहिँ के हुन्छ र नखाँदा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने हामी चाहिँ उहाँहरुलाई चाहिँ मजाले एक्सप्लेन गरेर चाहिँ हामी खुवाइरहेका छौं।
Despite these awareness programs prior and during the campaign, many people missed taking medications. By identifying these excluded population, FAIRMED Nepal supported the government health workers in conducting home visit programs as a follow-up for them. Medications were delivered at their doorsteps to ensure everyone's access to the medication.
उहाँले बुझाइदिनुहुन्छ अनि अब नेपाली बुझ्नेलाई त हामी नै बुझाइदिइहाल्छौँ होइन अनि नभए पनि नबुझे पनि उहाँहरूलाई यस्तो यस्तो भन्नु न भनेर त्यसरी सहजै भएको छ त्यही भएर
In this way, FAIRMED Nepal played an instrumental role in envisioning the Nepal government's goal of elimination of lymphatic filariasis by leaving no one behind.